Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Well, there it is, 19,000. My target is officially hit. I think we are going to keep dropping. I don't think there's going to be a recovery. Definitely don't think there's going to be a recovery, not soon. Next level for Bitcoin is actually 16,107. As you can see, we bounced from this $19,000 level. Fairly okay-ish. We actually bounced off. Actually, you know what? Let me see. I'm pretty sure I remember moving this. Let me see if I was actually a little bit lower. Should have been lower. Here, 18,000. 18. Yeah, I should have been actually here. So my fault. There you go. So support is actually there at 18,959. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna recover anytime soon. I actually think the pain is gonna come a little bit harder. We're probably gonna I think we're gonna trade within this trading range, or we're actually gonna drop. But as of right now, yeah, that kind of explains the situation. But as of right now, I mean, you're sort of still trading just around this range. But if we do end up breaking, we end up breaking that 18,959. We end up breaking this. Support, you actually start creating candles under here. The next level is at 16,107. So as of right now, we better not break these levels unless you're gonna drop another $3,000-$4,000 if you start breaking the support. But things right now look pretty sour. We can definitely rebound probably a little bit back to like 20K and stay around this range now. But we have to wait. It's kind of hard to predict as soon as things like dump like this. But if I had to guess, like this does not give us bullish momentum, right? Even on the hour, you actually have a lower trade. You actually close on the hour at 19.3 and you're at 19.2. So far, as of right now, you do have nothing but bearish momentum. I would not be surprised if today you actually see, not today, but this weekend, you actually see further liquidations, margin calls, and we actually do hit this weekend. We actually accelerate even more, and we drop to 16,100. Is that possible? 100% yes. I 100% think that this weekend we can actually see 16,100, just because margin calls would actually take us extremely lower, and around roughly between like 18K and like 20K, you have so many liquidation zones right here. So many big banks, big funds, big institutions that break even right now or are losing money or they're negative, right? So if you start not holding this level, I think that within the next couple of days, we can actually see 16,100 on Bitcoin. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.